Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, then this is a very good time for you to buy this iPad right now. 64GB Wi-Fi variant of iPad 10th generation is selling at a price point of 25,500 rupees, and if you have Axis Bank credit card, in that case you will get 1,750 rupees cashback and the effective price will be 23,750 rupees. So should you buy this iPad right now? I think yes. If you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, then this is the best time and this is the best deal that you are getting. Now if you want to know whether the price will come down more or not, the answer is yes. In Big Billion Days sale, the price will be close to 20,000 rupees. So if you have no urgency, you should wait till Big Billion Days sale to get the best discount on iPad 10th generation. iPad 10th generation is a very good iPad. The display quality of this iPad is top notch. Though it is a non-laminated display, yet you will not feel any issue while using this iPad in day-to-day tasks, and the multitasking on this iPad is very good. Though it has 4GB of RAM, you will not feel any kind of shortage in terms of processing power and performance. Plus, this iPad 10th generation is capable of rendering 4K 60 FPS footages into very good quality video. Many people want to know whether 64GB is enough or not. In my case, I edit a lot of videos on my iPad 10th generation and I keep deleting things regularly on my iPad 10th generation, and sometimes I buy iCloud storage. So if you store a lot of stuff in your iPad, in that case the storage might feel very low. Otherwise you will not feel any kind of problem using this iPad. Plus you will get regular software updates on this iPad. So in the conclusion, this video is for those users who want to buy iPad 10th generation and who were looking to buy this tablet or iPad at a discounted price. I think if you are planning to buy this, you should grab the deal before the offer ends or the stock ends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.